In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy an app on Replit. By the end, you'll feel confident taking a project from your workspace to a live, shareable URL in just a few clicks. First, open your project in Replit. Look toward the top right corner of the workspace and find the Deploy button. This is your gateway to turning your in-editor app into a running service that anyone can access on the web. When you click it, Replit will guide you through a short setup flow designed to match your app's needs. Next, you'll choose a deployment type. A popular option is autoscale. Think of autoscale as a flexible way to handle changing traffic without having to manage servers yourself. It can automatically allocate more resources during busy periods and scale back down when things are quiet. If you expect bursts of visitors or you just want performance to adapt as your audience grows, autoscale is a reliable pick. If you already know your app's usage will be steady, you can still select the option that best fits your project's profile. Now it's time to configure a few settings. Start with the subdomain. This is the web address people will use to reach your app, so pick something short, clear how, and relevant to your project. Replit will let you know if the name is available and will host it for you under their domain. Next, choose a machine size. This determines the computing power behind your app, things like CPU and memory. If your project is lightweight, a smaller size keeps things efficient. If it performs heavy tasks or serves many users at once, a larger size can keep the experience smooth. You can always adjust these settings later as you learn how your app behaves in the real world. Once your preferences are set, click Deploy again to publish. Replit will package your code, set up infrastructure behind the scenes, and begin serving your app. This can take a moment while everything builds, so let it finish. When it's ready, you'll see a shareable URL. Open it in your browser to confirm your app is live, and then share that link with teammates, testers, or users. That's all there is to it. Click Deploy, choose the right deployment type, configure your subdomain and machine size, and publish. With these steps, your Replit project becomes a live application you can confidently share with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy deploying.